Good morning, children. Whatever I taught you on Monday, Monday, I think, Monday, I'm continuing because it is better to send through video also. I thought that is why I'm just revising. See, if you take real numbers, they have been divided into two. What are they? Rational numbers, which are represented by Q, and irrational numbers. Okay, total numbers we can divide it into two groups. They are the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now in rational numbers, we have whole numbers, W means whole numbers, and natural numbers and integers. All these they will be coming under the rational numbers. Okay, if you take already any number which can be represented in P upon Q form is a rational number. Okay, now what is the exact definition of rational number? Rational number is a terminating and non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring is called a rational number. Is a definition of rational number. A terminating and non-terminating recurring is a rational number. Okay. Now, what is terminating? Terminating means a division which ends with 0. Okay, supposing let us take 25 upon 5. 25 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. It is remainder here is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, they are called terminating. In common language, terminating means end. This division is ending with zeros. So, if it is in P upon Q, if the division ends with 0, they are called terminating and they will be coming under the rational numbers. Okay. Now next let us take what is next. Also we have non-terminating recurring. Okay. Next let us see non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring. So what is non-terminating means which don't end. Okay, which will not here ending the division is ending with 0. If you see example 7 upon 3. Okay, here 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1. यहाँ decimal लगाओ. Okay, then if you put the decimal here, you can take 0. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Like that, if you will be getting like this 2.3333 dot dot means it will be continued. Okay, this continuation of same number is called recurring. What we call it as recurring. Okay, supposing I think you must have heard about in banks recurring from your parents. Recurring deposit, every month certain amount will be, same amount will be put in the bank, deposited in the bank. That is called recurring. Here that is why same number is repeated. That is why it is called recurring. Okay, now how will you now 2.3 is repeating. So we will not write 333 many times. It will be going on repeating. So we will be putting the dot on the 3. That indicates that 3 is recurring. मतलब 3 रिपीट हो रही है, डॉट का मतलब है. Okay, so now if the decimal is a terminating, if it ends with 0, it will be rational number. Okay, a decimal now it is in P upon Q form. It is also rational number. Okay, it is here non-terminating. मतलब ये एंड हो रही, 0 से एंड नहीं हो रही है, मगर रेकरिंग हो रही है. ये दोनों केसेस किस में आते हैं? रेशनल नंबर्स में आते हैं. जब डिवीजन एंड्स विद 0, that is terminating, and non-terminating. If it is not terminating, it will be non-terminating. If it is not non-terminating, recurring हो तो वो rational numbers में आएंगे. मतलब that is why I have given the definition: a terminating and non-terminating recurring. If a division ends with 0, otherwise if it has a recurring, non-terminating recurring, it is a rational number. ये दोनों केस में. Okay, now come to irrational numbers. They are non-terminating. Non-terminating आपको rational numbers में भी आएंगे, मगर यहाँ भी non-terminating. Non-terminating के साथ साथ क्या होना चाहिए? वहाँ non-terminating recurring हो तो rational numbers में आएंगे. यहाँ non-terminating, non-recurring will be coming under the irrational number. Example: √2, √3, √5, √7, like that. All these numbers, they will be coming under the your irrational numbers. Example: 1.001, 0001, 00001. You may ask here, madam, it's 0 and 1 are repeating, so it should be come under recurring. No, it is not recurring. Why? Because here first 2 zeros are there, second 3 zeros are there, equal number of zeros are not there. Number of zeros are increasing, so it is a non-recurring. But here in this case, 2.3 case we have done, no. In that case, same number is repeating, so it is a recurring. So all such numbers. So that is what that is why irrational number definition. It is non-terminating, non-recurring. दोनों होना चाहिए. So rational number, a terminating which will be ending with 0, non-terminating supposing it doesn't end with 0, it should be recurring. If these both categories, they will be coming under the rational numbers. So irrational numbers में non-terminating, non-recurring, such numbers. Okay, this is about a set of rational numbers, irrational numbers called real numbers. So real numbers, rational numbers are the subset of real numbers, irrational. Both together, rational and irrational, together will be forming the real numbers. Okay, all irrational numbers are real numbers. Okay, all irrational numbers are, जितने भी irrational है वो सब real numbers है. All rational numbers are real numbers. In the you should keep in mind whole numbers, natural numbers, integers. So all rational numbers are real numbers. All irrational numbers are real numbers. But all real numbers are not irrational. सब real numbers irrational नहीं होते, क्योंकि उसके अंदर आपका rational भी आते हैं. Okay, thank you. This is about introduction. I will send the exercise.